Hey there, I have a couple of quick questions for you guys. Could you please name what the primary colors are? I'll give you a few seconds to think. If you didn't guess them already, they are red, yellow, and blue. Next, what are the secondary colors? Again, I'll give you a few seconds to think about them. Orange, green, and violet are the secondary colors. Now, for a bonus section, what colors, two colors, make orange? I will give you a hint. It's two primary colors. Red and yellow make orange. Thanks so much for checking out this quick video. Hope you learned a lot about colors. Look forward to chatting with you soon.